We are deep into the holiday season, and today I have a DIY holiday decor video for you all. I'm trying to make a few pieces that are more non-traditional, I guess. Didn't intend to, and I'm all about upcycling things that may not have been festive before but can be festive now. Not that there's anything wrong with it. I'm sure one year I will also make a white Christmas, but we're just trying to get rid of all the beige white aesthetic Christmases on the feed. I am team you can still be aesthetic even if you're colorful, and my theme this year has been very pink, very red. If you haven't seen the rest of my holiday playlist, I have DIY holiday gifts, a small business gift guide, a holiday decorate with me, where this showed up. I ran out of ribbon, but I decided last minute to add some ribbon to the tree. Let's get into it. I thrifted this porcelain T-Rex on a whim with no intention of keeping him until my holiday spirit came about. I started by giving him a light exfoliation before priming. Following my pink and red theme this holiday, I'm using cotton candy pink enamel paint all over Rex. He consented to getting the area between his legs painted, and it took about 3 light coats. Then taking gold wire, I strapped a bottle brush tree to his back because XMAS Rex is a sneaky fella and he's helping Santa move trees. Buying new holiday decor isn't necessary, and if you're on a budget, upcycling thrifted items is a great option and you end up with really unique decor. If anyone's watching Fantastic Fungi, you'll know why I wanted to make more mushroom-themed things. Fungi, or on the show they say fungi, is definitely going to be the it item of 2022. I have snap-ball ornaments and dried moss here. I'm adding some clear glue to keep it towards the bottom of the ornament before adding in these adorable miniature mushrooms that have built-in wires. If you pack a bunch of moss before, it helps the mushroom picks stay in place better. Plus, I used a bit of hot glue to help with that. Then, to make it a bit more festive, I dusted the top lightly with white paint. You can use glitter too if you fancy. This sort of inspires me for holiday 2022. Maybe a magical forest themed decor is coming up. For now, I'm just going to start a collection of miniature things. Here's a quick one because I've been seeing big stores charge anywhere from $10 to $30 for a stinkin' holiday garland. I have a variety of dollar store pom-poms and a multi-pack of wood beads. You just need to string them together and you have the simplest holiday decor item. Wrap it around your tree, hang it off a mantle or stair banister, and you're set. If you saw my holiday decorate with me, I was feeling a bit lost about the tree topper. I'm having so much trouble thinking of what to do as a tree topper until I was hit with this. I cut out the label on Cricut, though you're welcome to paint this on. We're making a sign for the North Pole. I started with red letters first on a white sign, but then changed my mind and switched for white letters, red sign. Take a wooden dowel and glue a wood bead on top. Then with any stiff board, mine is a foam board, I cut out a pointed arrow. While my letters were being cut, I took scrap vinyl to wrap around the sign pole. I then very carefully placed my vinyl over the arrow. And cut away the excess. I wrapped whatever scrap vinyl I had left around the rest of the sign to make it look more finished. Since it's a tree topper, all sides of it is going to be seen and I wanted it to look complete. I took an old tree topper and cut off the base to use as mine. I love that this fits with my tree theme. I have a lot of doll and figurine ornaments and this totally goes with it. I think next year I'm going to try a new tree topper idea and we're going to see if we can come up with a statement like this every year. I love this one because all the materials can be sourced from the dollar store. There is going to be one more video this year, and that is a DIY recap of 2021 or a recap of DIYs of 2021, right? where I highlight and put myself on blast for some of the DIYs that didn't turn out so good and some of the ones that I was really happy with. And then chatting with you all the plans that are going to be happening next year. Anyways, I'll fill you all in the last video of 2021 coming up next week. But for now, subscribe, turn on notifications so you'll know when the next one's coming up, and I'll see you next time. Bye.